One really simple way to speed up the import process is to create an import preset. I have an SD card plugged in, and I have all of my settings set on the right, as well as at the top where I'm going to copy these as DNG files. These are settings I would use if I were importing photos that were photographed here in the Pacific Northwest. And I want to save this because I'm going to be importing a lot of photos in the same way. So to create this preset, I go down to the bottom, I click on the drop-down, and I select Save Current Settings as a new preset. I just give this a name, call it Pacific Northwest, and click Create. Now when I import future images photographed here in the Pacific Northwest, I'll select that preset, make a few changes, such as the subfolder that it's going to go into, and then click the Import button on the bottom right.